right now I'm on my way to get gas. My camera mount is shaking, so I'm sorry if that's annoying. I guarantee you it is annoying. So yeah, it's really hot out today. It was supposed to rain, but it never did. Very humid, but we're gonna go anyway just because I'm borrowing my aunt's golf set. It's really cute. It's in like a purple golf holder shingamajigger, and it's really cute. So I'm excited for that, and I'm not sure what we're doing for dinner. I hope we figure it out because your girls gotta eat.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna love.
Is there anything better than that? Let me know. In the car, we're about to go mini golfing, huh? Wait, not mini golfing. Driving ranging.
Nice. Wow, good job.
Yeah, Brian. Merp. It's really nice. There's like no one here. It's like super private. We can just work on our swings. Actually, there's family with a dog. His name is Chico. He's really cute. I think he just heard me. His tail's wagging. Literally such a beautiful night. Literally, the sky's like a pretty periwinkle color. There's my bag that my Aunt Patty gave me. It's so cute. It's her purple bag. So it is the next day. I'm in the spare room right now because my dad's watching TV and trying to be quiet. But we are going to go to fireworks. It's kind of like a festival. There's food trucks. So I figured I would just combine the two vlogs. I know, I'm full of great ideas. OOTD. Wow. My mirror is messy and I have clothes literally all over. Don't mind me, but I am wearing just this off the shoulder like sky blue top. I really like it. It was literally $3 from Ross. It was on sale. So I thought it was really cute. And then I'm wearing this necklace. I'm not sure where it's from. I want to say like I got it at the Ann Taylor Loft outlet or something. Whoops, sorry. And then I'm wearing these white jeggings kind of with the button detail, which I love, and these are from Rue 21 RIP, and I don't have shoes yet, but guys, I'm getting really tan and I'm really not trying to. Like, I'm wearing sunblock, but these rays, they just love me. Brennan should be here like any minute, so pretty excited. So it's just me and Brennan in the house right now, and I keep hearing stuff. I swear to God, every time my parents leave, I swear this place is haunted. I think that the house is haunted per se, but my grandma did pass away in this house not too long ago. Do I think she would mess with me? Absolutely not. She's just not not that type of person. But do I think a vlog? But would she try to say hi? Probably. Say hi, Brenny. We out at the park waiting for fireworks. There's live music. It's very bright. I should have brought sunglasses. But we just had yummy dinner, and my parents just ran into Hannah's mom.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, they did.
Oh, I thought you said you did.
No, my parents.
Oh, well.
Yeah, I think people think I'm taking a selfie, but I'm just hanging out. This is what we're working with here. Lots and lots of people. There are my parents and Hannah's mom right there. Where's Buddy? Okay. It's a hot air balloon right there. It looks far away, but I swear, just flying right over there. Cool, huh?
Yeah.
Would you do that?
I don't know.
I wouldn't. What are you doing there?
I'm protecting myself.
Brennan, do you want one?
Here's another one, Brennan. Oh, sorry.
Is it working?
Yep.
The Brennan's putting on too. My gosh, life hack.
I mean, you're not being a very good sharer.
Actual life hack. Oh my goodness.
Look at the baby.
Oh.
What did the little girl say?
Can I have one?
Can I have one?
Can I have one?
They want a sparkler. This is so cute. 5, 6. Look at them.
Oh, double the fun.